Secret channel and have 12 minutes to do this video, but today I'm doing a challenge with shles YouTube list. Yes, and if you comment down I subbed and subscribe and share this video and like this video, you'll be entered into our future giveaway, which will be on July 1st. And we're doing a fidget spinner challenge. No one has ever done this, so if you're gonna do this, please give me credit for it. So yeah, we're both going to be doing the same tricks, and I did create these spinner tricks, except one, it'll be like this, exactly like what this is, but yeah. So if you hear backgrounds or people touching stuff, it's her, all her, but yeah. No, stop, Annalie, stop it. That's going away. She's throwing her bottles. Okay, guys. So, the first trick. That was which way. Stop, Anna. It's called Which Way Do You Want Me to Go? So, that was Which Way Do You Want Me to Go? Now we're going to do the lint roller. We're going to do lint roller. Lint roller. Okay, so I called that the lint roller. Here you go, baby. Okay, so the next one is called the head spin. No, thank you. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Ashley beat this. Oh. You okay? She's gonna be getting my fidget spinner if I drop it. So the next one is called You Better Give Me a Ring. This is for all the boys that won't give y'all girls a ring. Give me. So I'm pretty sure she's gonna do better, even though she doesn't know any of these tricks, and I've created them in school. But it's called Give Me a Ring, y'all. But that's how you do it. Next one. We only have like 5 more. Probably like 15 more. It doesn't matter. It'll be like 10 minutes. You know, maybe an hour. A bouquet. I said a bouquet. A bouquet. Also include that bouquet for the girls. So, next one. Sorry, guys. This keeps on dropping. Okay. Next one is called. Oh. It's called Don't You Wish You Were Me. Hold on. Okay. So you're going to be using a fake fidget spinner. I don't know if she can do this one. I don't know if she has another fidget spinner, but if you can't do this one, and by the way, if she forfeits, then she has to eat something that she doesn't like or sour. She doesn't have to, but we'll be doing a video. Next video we do together, she'll be eating something nasty if she forfeited this one. So you just go like this. I call this one the constipated chicken. Boom. The constipated chicken. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.